Hey YouTube, opinionative reviewer here, and today I got an interesting utility review. Now this utility is in Cydia, and I think you're gonna like this one. This utility is called DataDeposit, and what it allows you to do is back up your game data from one iDevice and play it on another iDevice. For example, if I'm playing, say, Jump Out on my iPhone 4 and I've reached I'm almost close to popping the game and I want to play it on my iPod Touch, but I don't want to start over. I want to resume from where I just started. This app allows you to do that. Now you're gonna need Dropbox because it backs up the data to Dropbox and then it restores the data from Dropbox. So let's go. It's free in Cydia, so let's go and demonstrate it. Now as you see, I have it right here, DataDeposit on my iPhone 4 and DataDeposit on my iPod Touch. I also have Dropbox on both of the device. Dropbox is free also. If you don't have a Dropbox account, don't worry about it. So I'm a click Jump Out on this so you guys can see that I don't have any data on this Jump Out here, and obviously it has to be on both devices. So if you want to back up or restore Jump Out, you have to have it on this device. So I'm going to show you that I don't have no data of Jump Out on this device. So as you can see here, I've not played any levels. All of them are locked, and I'll show you them on this screen also. All of them are locked on this screen. So I'll just exit out of Jump Out on this screen, and as you can see on my iPhone 4, I've passed all those levels, 60 out of 60, 57, whatever. So now I'm going to go back out and I'm going to X out of Jump Out because the app cannot be open while you're trying to back up. And let me give you a little tour of the utility. There's settings here. It lets you know, it lets you link your device with Dropbox, and there's his Twitter account, and just a couple keynotes to remember before trying to back up. Always terminate any apps if you're going to restore. Be sure that you have the proper version. So in other words, don't try to back up a device on 4.3.3 and then try to restore it on another device on 3.1.3. okay, always run an app at least once before restoring it. You see, I just did that, and the data is stored in this is talking about i5. We don't have to go in depth there, and that's talking about passwords. So you could check them out. It's free, as I said. So let me go and try to restore. So I'm gonna go and back up my data. Let's look for Jump Out. It's in alphabetical order. So here's Jump Out. So I'm gonna click Jump Out and click back it up. So let's let it work its magic. It's uploading the data to Dropbox now, and it looks like it's pretty big. All that data from Jump Out. Okay, so now it's backed up. So I'm gonna go. All my data from Jump Out here is backed up. Let me go in Dropbox and just check it out quick. And it created a folder. You see, I already did air checks to test it out before I do the review, and it's there. So I'll go over here in Dropbox. It's here also. So now we're gonna go and restore on this device. As you see, I already showed you that it was not working on that device. So I'll click the app and I'll go restore. Jump Out is closed, so I'm gonna click Jump Out and click restore Jump Out. So let's just let Jump Out restore. Bingo, success. Now we're gonna go and open Jump Out and see if all my data from here went over there on my iPod Touch. So let's click, and we're gonna click play, and bingo, you can definitely see that all my data. Remember, I just showed you nothing was on this iPod Touch, and the same exact data from there is on here. As you can see, my camera lens is not that big, but hopefully you can see. Same exact data. So there you go, guys. A nice little utility. Now you don't have to start from scratch. If you want to go on an opposite iDevice, tell me if you check out the utility, how you like it. Rate, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.